If you stop and think about everything you have to manage in a single day, it can feel like the world is spinning around you. You have a running checklist in your head at all times, paying the bills, figuring out dinner, keeping up at work, and remembering appointments. It creates a heavy, invisible mental load. There is a way to start closing some of those open tabs in your brain. Everyday artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Copilot can step in to help you organize that chaos. If you are new to this, artificial intelligence is simply a way for a computer to do tasks that usually require a human touch. It can read our language, sort through messy information, and offer helpful suggestions. But there is a very important golden rule to using these tools. Think of it as a pilot and co-pilot relationship. You are the pilot in the captain's chair. You make the final decisions. The AI is your tireless assistant, sitting next to you, handling the heavy lifting. Using AI this way clears out the mental clutter, handing you back the time and energy to focus on what actually matters. Let's look at the home front first. Managing a household takes constant planning, and the friction of deciding who does what and what everyone is going to eat adds up fast. With a single, simple instruction, you can tell an AI assistant what ingredients you have in the fridge and who is available to help clean. A customized weekly meal plan and a coordinated family chore checklist appears in seconds. You can use that same approach to organize your money. If you paste a basic list of your monthly expenses into the chat, the assistant can quickly spot spending leaks and then write up a budget-friendly grocery list designed to save you cash. It can even help support your wellness goals. You can ask for a personalized 20-minute walking routine or a simple chart to track your daily water intake. These tools are excellent for brainstorming routines, but they have hard limits. An AI is not a doctor, and it is not a certified financial planner. Any advice it gives you about your health or your wealth must always be checked and verified by a professional. Beyond the daily chores, this kind of digital assistance opens up immediate opportunities for learning and career growth. Imagine having a deeply patient personal tutor available at any hour. If you are struggling to help a child with homework, you can ask the AI to explain a confusing math concept so that an 8-year-old can easily understand it. For job seekers, you can type in a boring, ordinary description of your past jobs and ask the tool to rewrite it. It takes those raw experiences and shapes them into polished, marketable skills, perfect for a resume or an interview. Small business owners can take those exact same formatting skills and apply them to their own work. You can quickly turn a few quick ideas into professional promotional flyers, customer messages, or an organized list of frequently asked questions. Your specific background and years of experience remain the foundation. The AI acts as a translator, putting your skills into the professional formats that get you noticed. This ability to quickly organize thoughts is incredibly helpful when you want to connect with your community or tell a story. If you are working on a family history project, you can ask the assistant to create an outline for your chapters. You supply the memories and your unique voice. The computer just builds the scaffolding. At the neighborhood level, community organizers can use this to quickly draft text for a local grant, set up an event agenda, or write a sponsorship letter to a local business. But community work requires trust, which brings us to a strict rule of privacy. You must never type sensitive personal information, like a bank account number, a password, or private records, into an AI chat box. You also have to watch out for bias and errors. Sometimes these systems make mistakes or invent facts entirely, and they do it sounding very confident. The output is only as trustworthy as the human overseeing it. You have to bring a critical eye to every single response. Whether you are planning a dinner, writing a resume, or asking for a grant, the hardest part of any task is staring at a blank page, trying to figure out where to begin. An AI assistant eliminates the blank page by providing an instant first draft or a starting plan, so you never have to start from zero. This first draft requires the human pilot to be effective. It needs your lived experience, your specific culture, and your distinct voice to turn a computer's guess into something real and valuable. I want you to try this out today. Open a free AI tool on your phone or computer and type in this exact sentence. Make a 3-day meal plan using chicken, rice, and seasonal vegetables. See what comes back. You don't need to learn code to master these tools. The skill lies in asking better questions that lead to a more organized, confident life.